Okay, this is the help video for Access Chapter 7, Prepare Case B. We are starting at step number 7, and we're going to continue our exploration of SQL. So let's look at what, step 6. We're going to create there's some keywords that you want to look at here. So uses an asterisk to list all records. So right there, I know it says records, but really what this means is we're going to include all the fields in the table customer. Use the where clause to display all customers who live in. So right there's another keyword, thinking back to our statement where we used in to do a selection of multiple. Instead of this or this or this or this, we use the in. So we can do that in SQL. So let's create a query. I'm not going to do anything here, and I'm going to switch to SQL view. I'm going to select everything, so that's an asterisk, from TBL customer, I was going to spell that right. Notice that my semicolon's at the end there, where, and we have to figure out what field has the state in it, right? So you would have to know that. If you are unsure, you could, look at what table is this, customer. So if I go to design view, it's called cust state. So that's what I would need to do, is where cust state in UT MN HI PA end parentheses end quote. I'm going to copy that over to my here so we can look at it. So we're selecting all of the fields from the customer table where the customer state is in this list. Okay, in here, just like if I was on the grid, comma separates, everything's inside quotes, right? So if I switch my view to datasheet, there I get, and here's my states. Adjust the columns, and we're going to save this. QRY, select customers SQL, and close it. So we're done with 6. Let's take a look at what 7's going to do. Okay, so on this one, we're going to use table schedule. And here it's saying in the select statement, we're going to include customer, service, and date of appointment. So let's build that first. So let's create in query design. We're going to close this, go over to SQL, and we're going to say, actually, I'm going to build it here in my, and then I'll copy it over. Okay, so in this we want select, and then we're going to do customer, comma, service, comma, date of appointment, because that's what it's telling us, customer, service, and date appointment. From, and this would be the table or the query. In this case, it's a table. There is no where because they want all records. But here's something we haven't done yet. An order by clause. So the order by is another SQL statement that puts in the order that you're sorting something. So instead of sort, you use the word order. So we're going to order by date of appointment. And then you can do it either ASC for ascending, which is the default, by the way, or DESC. Semicolon. So we're going to, they want it to do descending order here. So we had to put the DESC on the end. So I'm going to copy that over here to my, and I'm going to run it. So I get customer, service, date of appointment, ordered by date of appointment in descending order. That does not look correct. Descending. Oh, this is 18. That's out of whack. I see. Okay, not sure what that's about. So that freaked me out a little bit. Okay, yeah, so look, 22. Okay. Yes, that worked. So let's save that. And QRY, schedule, sorted, SQL. So the order by is how you sort something. So we're done with 7. Let's go to number 8. So what is 8 introducing us to? So we're going to use table product. In the select statement, include product description. So it really isn't too much different than what we've been doing. Quantity in stock, price, and size. And then we're going to use a where clause to display all services where the fee is greater than 12. Whew. Then we're going to order it by category in ascending and price in descending. Okie dokie. So let's get that one done. That one's a little more complicated. So we're going to start off our same way though, right? So we're going to start a query in design view and switch over to SQL. So create, query design, flip to SQL, and then I am going to build it out here so you guys can see it better. So let's just work through what they're saying. So first thing you always do is your select statement, and then you list the fields that you want. So we want product description, comma, category, comma, QTY in stock, comma, price, comma, size, from. So notice here I'm not doing the bracket thing, right? Because we're in SQL now. So from the table product, where fee is greater than hold on a second. So we're going to do fee, right? That's the name of the, yeah, so there's no, is it price or size? I actually think they have the instructions wrong here, guys. This should not be fee. This should be size is greater than 12. Because we're looking for bulk products. So we're looking for those that have the size that is greater than 12. So I went over here to product, and the size is what we want. So we'll see what happens when we turn it in. Okay, so where the fee, well, size is greater than 12, and then we have to do an order by. Remember, that's our sort, and we want to order it by category. And if I leave off It's assumed to be ascending, so I don't have to put anything. And then price descending. Okay? Semicolon on the end. So let's copy this, and I'm going to put this back in here, and let's see if it works. I'm going to run it. So I get 12, and this looks good. So my size is greater than 12, and it's sorted by category, so B through H, and within category by price. And it is. So it's good. So we're going to go ahead and save this as QRY bulk products SQL. And we'll close that out. We'll do one more. So we're done with 8. Let's take a look at 9. Create a query using SQL to list all records from purchase. In the select statement include customer ID, purchase date, product ID. Uh-oh. What's that? What's that? Those are new things. All right. And we're going to do the group by. So you know what? I think I actually am going to pick this step number 9 up in the next movie because I want to talk about all this stuff. All right. Thank you.